Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just gonna make some simple jerk chicken wings, but not the normal one. I'm gonna do the barbecued one. So I've done this before from scratch. We're gonna have another video in that where I make my own jerk sauce. But what we're using today is the jerk sauce. So everything's in there. Gotta marinate it. Normally you might want to do this at least a couple of hours before so you got the flavour soaking in and all that, but you can still just marinate it, put it in the oven, because I've done that a few times. When that's been cooking in the oven for about 20-30 minutes, I'm going to take it out, pour some of the oily sauce that's come out, because you're going to get a lot of oil that comes out the wings. I'm going to coat it with some of the jerk barbecue sauce. But before we do that, we're gonna have to clean our chicken and cut it up. So bear with me. Okay. Guys, when you do this, don't open the water high, splash chicken, raw chicken everywhere. We're gonna clean it with some white vinegar. Also got half a lemon there. Now you're just gonna want to wash these for a couple of minutes, clean, get all the nastiness off that before you start. Wash that out with the vinegar and whatnot. You've got a joint bit right here in the middle. When you start, the more you cut wings, the more you get used to it. So don't apply it here, don't apply it here, having to hit it hard, breaking and splitting the bone, and then getting chicken juice everywhere. You should just be able to look for that joint and perfectly get that nice cut. Now this is a meal that can be quick to do, can be prepped the day before. So if you're gonna go work or you're gonna have a busy day, all you've got to do is pop it in the oven. Take it out a couple of times to just turn it over, make sure it's brown nicely on both sides, and then at the end to obviously add the finishing touch of the barbecue sauce. So you can go out your way and make the jerk sauce yourself, and then make the jerk barbecue sauce where you're adding soy sauce, the brown sugar and everything. So it's down to, do you have the seasoning there to do it, or if you've got the time. This will open. Little tip you'll learn. Do 1, 2, if you eat jerk, guys, you know this is hot. Put about 2.5. 1 pack of chicken wings, 2.5 tablespoons of the jerk sauce. Now, depending if I'm cooking this and I want to kind of make a little gravy, I could put about 4 times, and then when the juices come out and it's cooking, I'll pour it out, and at times I even add like some gravy with it, mix it, thicken it up so it can go on boiled rice and some veg on the side. So guys, show you how it looks. This has been in the oven for about 30 minutes now. As you can see, some of it is browned on this side. It's not really brown on that side. Reason being is because you had all this liquid in there that I've just poured out. As you can see, some of it, that is oil, and some of it's a jerk sauce. So because there was that much liquid in there, the bottom bit wouldn't obviously go brown. So I've removed that from it. Just turning some of these around a bit. I'm just trying to coat it nicely because there was a tiny bit of the juice that I left in there. So it's obviously, while it's cooking down, it's gonna go a bit thicker and that. Bear with me. Come on. Right guys, welcome back. Now chicken's done. Put the barbecue sauce on it. Put it in the oven for another 10 minutes. After that, let out a bit more liquid and oil. Pour the liquid and oil in here, and if you can see, so it's kind of made like a thick barbecue. Well, I'm going to use this as a dip and to just pour over the chicken, because if you're having this with rice or whatever, you're going to love that. That's how the chicken's looking now. I'll just show you a bit properly. Okay, now just to show you, let's go with one of these. Look at that. And obviously if you're looking here, you still got some of the sauce at the bottom. You know what I mean? Tell me that don't look boom, come on. Couldn't wait, I've already had one. Tastes bloody wicked, mate. Trust me. Guys, don't forget, sub to the channel. Give us a like, share it. Let me know what you think about the recipe. If you make it, let me know how you get on. And yeah, hit me up.